In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email multiple invoices at once from QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a small business or overseeing accounts in a larger organization, knowing how to streamline your billing process can save you significant time and energy. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to access your QuickBooks Online account, so head over to your preferred browser and click on Sign In. Logging into QuickBooks is your gateway to all its services, so if you're on your dashboard, you're already on the right track. Next, when prompted, choose QuickBooks Online from the list of products. This will ensure that you're accessing the correct platform for managing your invoices. Once you're on the sign-in page, go ahead and enter your login credentials. You'll need your username and password handy, then continue to log into the main interface. Remember, keeping your password secure is crucial, so avoid using easily guessable information. Now let's move on to the invoicing. Find the Sales tab in the menu. This is where all transaction details are stored. You simply need to click on this tab to unveil all the sales related options available to you. Following this, click on All Sales to bring up the complete list of your transactions. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything that's been sold, invoiced, or is in progress. It's a very handy feature when managing multiple accounts and invoices. A quick tip to keep in mind here, you cannot send emails for transactions that have a closed status. So double check the status of each invoice before proceeding. This way you avoid unnecessary hiccups along the way. After verifying the status, you're ready to select the transactions. Look over your list and check the box next to each transaction you want to include in the batch email. Once you've selected the desired invoices, turn your attention to the top of the list where you'll find Batch Actions. This feature is essential for handling multiple transactions at once. Click on it and you're presented with a few options. You're almost there now. From the options provided, click on Send. And just like that, QuickBooks Online will process your request and send out the invoices to the designated email addresses. And there you have it, you've successfully emailed multiple invoices from QuickBooks Online in just a few simple steps. This process not only saves you a considerable amount of time, but also enhances your efficiency, leaving you more time to focus on what really matters, running your business. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial today. And remember, efficient billing is just a few clicks away with QuickBooks Online. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at handling your invoices.